Want to build muscle, even while you sleep? Eat this before bed to gain muscle fast.
You might be training hard, eating right, sleeping enough, but still, your muscle growth feels stuck. What if I told you your biggest mistake isn't in the gym, it's in your kitchen, right before bed? See, most people think muscle growth happens while working out. But in reality, it happens while you sleep. And there's one simple food combo that can literally supercharge your muscle recovery overnight. Stay with me, because if you eat this before bed, you'll start waking up stronger, fuller, and more recovered every single morning. Here's the truth. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Tiny muscle fibers that broke down during your workout start rebuilding. But this process depends completely on one thing: a steady supply of amino acids. And that's where most people mess up. They go to bed hungry or eat the wrong kind of food. So while your muscles are starving for protein, your body starts breaking them down for fuel. In short, you're losing muscle while you sleep. But don't worry, because fixing this is insanely simple. All you need is the right kind of bedtime fuel that feeds your muscles all night long. Meet your new best friend, casein protein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein found naturally in dairy, especially in Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Unlike whey, which digests fast, casein releases amino acids slowly for up to 7 hours. That means while you're asleep, your muscles are still getting a steady drip of protein. The result? Less muscle breakdown, more recovery, and faster gains. Here's a simple example. Mix 1 cup of Greek yogurt with a spoon of peanut butter before bed. This combo gives you slow protein plus healthy fats, the perfect night fuel. If you're lactose intolerant, try a plant-based alternative like almond yogurt with a scoop of slow-release protein powder. Either way, you'll feel the difference in just a week. You'll recover faster, look fuller, and your morning workouts will feel powerful. Now, if you don't like yogurt or dairy, no problem. Here are a few more smart bedtime options. Number 1. Boiled eggs plus a few almonds, pure protein plus healthy fats to keep digestion slow. 2. Oats with milk and protein powder, adds fiber, keeps you full, and supports steady amino release. 3. Banana plus peanut butter, not just tasty, but gives potassium and magnesium to relax your muscles overnight. Just avoid sugary snacks or cereal before bed. They spike insulin and kill your growth hormone levels. Take your bedtime snack about 30 to 45 minutes before you sleep, and let your body do the rest. Look, you don't need expensive supplements or complex diets. You just need to fuel your body right before bed. Because every night is your body's opportunity to grow. Start tonight. One smart bedtime snack can literally transform how your muscles recover. And hey, if you're serious about building muscle naturally, without wasting years guessing what works, hit that subscribe button. I post simple, science-backed nutrition and workout tips that help you grow stronger every single week. So eat smart, sleep deep, and watch your body change while you rest.